Hello students of class 10. This is another video from acid, base and salts, the second part, and the topic is pH scale. A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution called pH scale has been developed. The P in pH stands for Potenz in German. Should write in small p, meaning power. On the pH scale we can measure pH from 0 to 14. 0 is very acidic and 14 is very alkaline. pH should be thought of simply as a number which indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution. Higher the hydronium ion concentration, lower is the pH value. The pH of a neutral solution is 7. Values less than 7 on the pH scale represent an acidic solution. As the pH value increases from 7 to 14, it represents an increasing in OH minus ion concentration in the solution, that is, increase in the strength of alkali. Here is a pH paper values given. pH paper means the paper which is impregnated with the universal indicator and using for measuring pH. The values given 0 to 14 and the different colors obtained on these with the different types of solution. You can see on your screen that if it is very gastric juice and the values about 1.2, the color is dark red, which is seen here red, and then lemon juice is orange, pure water, color of pure water or blood is greenish, milk of magnesia value is 10, color is blue. And as we move towards the 14, you can see sodium hydroxide solution, the pH value about 14 is approximately purple or dark blue in color. Different solutions or different compounds, acid or bases are there here given, and their pH values also you can see on your screen. The pH range of different solute substances are given. It is starts from 1.6 to 3, our gastric contents, gastric juice. Soft drinks value is 2 to 4, that means acidic in nature. Lemon 2.2 to 2.4. Vinegar same 2.4 to 3.4. In this way you can see here household ammonia, the value pH range is 11 to 12, that means more basic. Some things or some household cleaners which we used are given here. Now the student, strength of acid and bases depends on the number of H plus ions and OH minus ions produced respectively. If we take hydrochloric acid and acetic acid of the same concentration, say 1 molar, then these produce different amounts of hydrogen ions. Acids that give rise to more H plus ions are said to be strong acids, and acids that give less H plus ion said to be weak acid. What is the importance of pH in our everyday life? Is this any importance? So the question is, are plants and animals pH sensitive? Yes. Our body works within the pH range of 7.0 to 7.8. Living organisms can survive only in a narrow range of pH change. When pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, it is called acid rain. When acid rain flows into the rivers, it lowers the pH of river water. You can see here how the acid rain flows. Acid rain means water when add with nitrogen oxides or oxides of sulfur, nitric acid or sulfuric acid is formed. Concentration increases of acids and it precipitate in the form of rain, that is called acid rain. You know what are the adverse effects of acid rains? The picture shows that acid rain can harm fish or our monuments or land or even also in the tree. Bad effects are there. Acid in other planets. Are there some acids in other planets? The atmosphere of Venus is made up of thick white and yellowish clouds of sulfuric acid. Do you think life can exist on this planet? Think about it. What is the pH of the soil in your backyard? Plants require a specific pH range for their healthy growth. To find out the pH required for the healthy growth of a plant, you can collect the soil from various places and check the pH. Also, you can note down which planets are acidic or basic. What is the pH in our digestive system? It is very interesting to note that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. It helps in the digestion of food without harming the stomach. During indigestion, the stomach produces too much acid and this causes pain and irritation. To get rid of this pain, people use bases called antacid. One such remedy must have been suggested by you at the beginning of this chapter. These antacids neutralizes the excess acid. You can see our digestive system. Diagram of our digestive system given here. How it is work given. Antacids. What are the antacids given here? Another example, tooth decay. When the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5, tooth enamel made up of calcium phosphate in the hardest substance in the body. It does not dissolve in water but is corroded when the pH in the mouth is below 5.5. Bacteria present in the mouth produces acids by degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth after eating. The best way to prevent this, clean the mouth after eating food using toothpaste, which are important for ourselves. Self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. Have you ever been stung by a honeybee? Bee sting leaves an acid which causes pain and irritation. Use of a mild base like baking soda on the stung area give relief. Stinging hair of nettle leaves inject methanic acids. Nature provides neutralization options. Nettle is herbaceous plants which grows in the wild. Its leaves have stinging hair which causes painful sting when touched accidentally. This is due to the methanic acid secreted by them. A traditional remedy is rubbing the area with the leaf of duck plant which often grows beside the nettle in the wild. Can you guess the nature of the duck plant? For next time you know what to look out for if you accidentally touch a nettle plant while trekking. Are you aware of any other effective traditional remedies for such things? Think it. Here some natural sources, acids and given: vinegar, orange, tamarind, tomato, acetic acid, citric acid, oxalic acid, sour milk, lemon and string, nettle string, lactic acid. These are all natural sources of acids. Example are given here, you can see. Now the question is, if you have two solution A and B, pH of solution A is 6 and pH of solution B is 8, which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration? Which of these acid and which one is basic? A pH value of less than 7 indicates an acidic solution. So solution A is acidic and solution B is basic. Next question is, what effect does the concentration of H plus ions have on the nature of the solution? Concentration of H plus ion can have a varied effect on the nature of the solution. With an increase in H plus ion concentration, the solution becomes more acidic, while decrease of H plus ion causes an increase in the basicity of the solution. Now salts. Salt means after combination of acid and base, the compound which is obtained. Some salts are here given: potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate. Students, you have a work to write formula of these salts yourself. Hydrated crystal, cobalt nitrate, calcium nitrate, nickel sulfates and manganese sulfate, copper sulfate. These are different types of salts given here. Identify these. The bluish color of salt is copper sulfate. Greenish one is nickel, and potassium sulfate at the bottom. White color salt is two types. White color salts are there. All are hydrated. Calcium nitrate and nickel. Calcium nitrate is there. Left to right is right one by one. Okay. So note down these all. Use of salts: ammonium chloride in torch batteries, ammonium nitrate in fertilizers, calcium chloride as drying agent, iron sulfate in iron tablets, like this. Okay. Now salts having the same positive or negative radicals are said to belong to a family. For example, NaCl and Na2SO4 belong to the family of sodium salts. Similarly, NaCl and KCl belong to the family of chloride salts. Salts of strong acids and strong bases are neutral with pH value of 7. On the other hand, salts of a strong acid and weak base are acidic with pH value less than 7, and those of a strong base and weak acid are basic in nature with pH value more than 7. Chemical form of common salts: the salts formed by the combination of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide solution is called sodium chloride. This is the salt that we use in food. It is a neutral salt. Seawater contains many salts dissolved in it. Sodium chloride is separated from these salts. Deposits of a solid salt are also found in several parts of the world. These large crystals are often brown due to impurities. This is called rock salt. Beds of rock salt were formed when seas of bygone ages dried up. Rock salt is mined like coal. Common salts are raw material for chemicals. Common salt thus often is an important raw material for various material of daily use such as sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder. These are some important salts for your chapter also. I will discuss later, and many more. Let we see how the substance is used for making all these different substances. Sodium hydroxide. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. The process is called the chlor-alkali process because of the product formed chlor for chlorine and alkali for sodium hydroxide. Equation is 2NaCl aqueous solution plus 2H2O in liquid form. You know that water is always in the liquid used here, and it gives 2NaOH aqueous, Cl2 gas and H2 gas. Chlorine gas is given off at the anode and hydrogen gas at the cathode. Sodium hydroxide solution is formed near the cathode. The three products produced in this process are all useful. The process diagrammatically shows like this. Hydrogen and chlorine as in the form of gases used in different purposes. NaOH is used, which is obtained, is used for degreasing metals, soaps, detergents, paper making, artificial fiber. Okay. Now bleaching powder formula is CaOCl2. You have already come to know that chlorine is produced during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride, or it is called brine. This chlorine gas is used for the manufacture of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slacked lime, CaOH whole twice. Bleaching powder is represented as CaOCl2, though the actual composition is quite complex. CaOH whole twice with chlorine gas, CaOCl2, that is bleaching powder, is formed with water. Bleaching powder is used for bleaching cotton and linen in the textile industry, for bleaching wood pulp in paper factories, and for bleaching washed clothes in laundry, as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries, and for disinfecting drinking water to make it free for germs. Next compound is baking soda. The soda commonly used in the kitchen for making tasty, crispy pakoras in baking soda, you know that. Sometimes it is added for faster cooking to swelling the grams or other pulses. The chemical name of the compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. NaHCO3 is formula. It is produced using sodium chloride as one of the raw material. The chemical equation is sodium chloride NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus ammonia. Ammoniated sodium chloride or brine treated with carbon dioxide gas in aqueous solution. Then ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate is formed. This sodium hydrogen carbonate is mild non-corrosive base. The following reaction takes place when it is heated during the cooking. NaHCO3 sodium hydrogen carbonate after heating forms sodium carbonate Na2CO3 H2O plus CO2. Use of sodium hydrogen carbonate for making baking powder, which is a mixture of baking soda and mild edible acids such as tartaric acid or citric acid. When baking powder is heated or mixed in water, the following action takes place. NaHCO3 plus H plus CO2 H2O sodium salt of acid. Carbon dioxide produced during the reaction causes bread or cake to rise, making them soft and spongy. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is also an ingredient in antacids. Being alkaline, it neutralizes excess acid in the stomach and provides relief. It is also used in soda acid's fire extinguisher. Next is washing soda. Another chemical that can be obtained from sodium chloride is Na2CO3.10H2O, decahydrated sodium carbonate, or 10 water molecule as a water of crystallization added with this. You have seen above that sodium carbonate can be obtained by heating baking soda. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. It is also a basic salt. The formula is Na2CO3 plus 10H2O, Na2CO3.10H2O. This is the use of washing soda. Sodium carbonate is used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is used in the manufacturing of sodium compounds such as borax. Sodium carbonate can be used as a cleaning agent for domestic purposes, and it is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Are the crystal of salts really dry? Copper sulfate crystals, which seem to be dry, contain water of crystallization. When we heat the crystals, this water is removed and the salt turns white. Normally what happens? Copper sulfate with water of crystallization. Formula is CuSO4.6H2O is blue in color. After heating it turns in white in color. Why? By removing water of crystallization. If you moisten the crystal again with water, you will find that blue color of the crystal reappears. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt. 5 water molecules are present in one formula unit of copper sulfate. Chemical formula of hydrated copper sulfate is CuSO4.5H2O. Now you would be able to answer the question whether the molecule of Na2CO3-10H2 is wet. One other salt which possesses water of crystallization is gypsum. It has 2 water molecules as water of crystallization. It has the formula CaSO4.2H2O. Another compound is plaster of Paris. On heating gypsum at 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecule and becomes calcium sulfate. Hemihydrate is formed. The formula CaSO4.12H2O plus 1.5H2O, CaSO4 2H2O, gypsum is formed, and just reverse the reaction, you will get plaster of Paris. Now some questions are given here and their answer also. Please note down this. So, what you have learned from this chapter? Acid base indicators are dyes or mixture of dyes which are used to indicate the presence of acid and bases. Here all the key points are given. You have to note down these all and read it. Thank you, students.